Hi, this video will show you how to input a picture into a Word document. So let's say you're making a worksheet for students or a handout for students or something, and you really want to illustrate part of the handout or the worksheet. Pictures can always help. So if you're in a Word document, and I'm making this Word document about types of puppies because who doesn't love puppies, you come up here to Insert, and you want to enter a screenshot or insert a screenshot. So when you come down, it will show you available windows. That's if you'd want to like insert an entire window from the internet or something like that. Usually I just want part, right? I just want a picture. So I come down here to screen clipping. Now when I click on this, it's automatically going to go to the web page that I'm on. And so I always want to make sure that I'm on the right web page before I do that in my Word doc. Maybe there's a way around it. I haven't found it because right now, if you see how it's kind of light, well, wherever I click and drag and make a box, it's going to take that picture. So this guy could not be cuter. And so I'm going to take this picture right here and put it in. So now at this point, I can move it, but I can only move it some. And then it's moving my words around too. So if I want to, I can right click on it and wrap text. And so there's all these different ways that it can behave with the text. I'm going to have it go, the one I usually like is either in front of or behind, because then it won't mess up the text at all and you can put it anywhere you want. You can also do tight. There's lots of different ones. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it behind the text. I'll still be able to see my text and I can get it in the right place. I can resize it if I want. Now, I don't like that it has these extra words down here, and I accidentally got that when I did my screen clipping. So if I click on it, the other tool that I use a ton is crop right here. So if you click on crop, you'll get these black bars around the picture, and you can make it smaller. So it'll take whatever the image is, and you can do this with anything. I don't want all those cabinets. I just want his cute face, and I'm going to go on this side a little bit too. Whoops, moved it. Now it's just going to show what's in here when I click somewhere else. The rest of the image is still there. If I hit crop again, I can get it back, but they're only going to see that cute little corgi picture. Oh. So really quickly, I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to go to my internet though, and I'm going to do German Shepherd because I love Shepherd. Oh, and I of course spelled it wrong. Don't make fun of me. German Shepherd puppies, because how cute are they? Oh my goodness. And I'm going to go back to my Word document, open it up, come here, insert, screenshot, screen clipping. Notice that I had my German Shepherd already. I love this guy with the cute little flowers and pumpkins behind him. Oh. And I'm going to go right click again. I like to see the words. That's why I did it instead of the other one, behind. So it's behind again, and I can resize. So hopefully that helps. You can watch it lots of time if you need to, but putting pictures can sure help students understand maybe what some of the questions are saying. Thanks.